Hey guys, you're welcome back to the channel once again. So I'm going to show you exactly how to copy your wallet address right here on Faucetpay crypto wallet quickly and easy. So whether you want to receive crypto from Faucet mining sites or other platforms, this guide will help you get your wallet address in just a few clicks. So let's get started. Now you might ask yourself, what is actually this Faucetpay we are talking about? So first of all, Faucetpay is a mini crypto wallet, like I said, that helps you collect and manage small crypto earnings from different websites in just one single place. I hope that it's clear enough. So that's all I want you to know about this. So now, for you to be able to copy a wallet address, first of all, you will just use the link I'll be dropping at the video description to access the website, and then you can now register. If you never had an account before, just use the link and register, and then you open the dashboard. It's gonna be like this. Then afterwards, just click on where you have this profile right here. Tap on it, and then afterwards go ahead. It's gonna display this little thing right here, this drop down menu. Okay, so just go ahead and tap on where you have this deposit and withdrawal section. All right, you tap on it, and then just scroll down. You can see the list of available wallets that are already integrated right here on the Faucetpay. All right, these are all the available wallets that you can copy your address from when you scroll down. All right, these are all the available wallets you can see. You can see Litecoin here, you can see Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, Dash, Biggie, Byte, USDT. So for the sake of this video, let's just tap on USDT. Let's just copy USDT wallet address. So for it to be able to copy the USDT wallet address, mind you, the USDT, the same way you're copying the USDT wallet address is still the same way you're gonna be copying any other wallet address that you are seeing right here. Okay, all right, now let's copy the USDT wallet address. Now if you want to copy this wallet address, don't tap anywhere around this middle button. Okay, where you have to tap now is just where you see this three dot signs is the place that you are supposed to tap. All right, so when you tap on that three dot sign right here, is gonna bring out this section of deposit and withdrawal. Now what we are going to be clicking on is to click on this deposit. Since we want to copy the wallet address, is to click on this deposit section. Then after a while, you can see this is going to pop out right here. All right, it's going to pop out right here. Now this is the wallet address now that has shown. You can either decide to copy through the barcode, or just go ahead and just copy this. Click on this little button right here to copy this address. All right, so this is how you copy your address, guys. Okay, so now if you have any other question that you need to know, or any other thing that you don't understand, let me know at the comment section. And meanwhile, always verify the address you are copying. Always verify the wallet address you are copying. If you want to copy the BNB wallet address, just go to BNB, or let's say Cardano. If you want to copy the Cardano wallet address, ensure that you are in the BNB Cardano section. All right, ensure that you are in the Cardano section, and then click right here. Do not do mistake to click another place. That's why I say you should always verify where the wallet that you want to copy the address. So you can click right there to copy this. Then this same thing is gonna pop out, and then the address is gonna be generated automatically. Then right here you can now copy this address and send it to whosoever you want to, or any website you want to receive Faucet or some little cryptos from. All right, you can send it to any website or whosoever wants to send you some coins or cryptocurrencies. I hope this is clear enough. Now I want you to one more bonus I will be giving to you is this. If you are using this Faucetpay, you should be using this Faucetpay to do not save. It's not always advisable to save large volumes of cryptocurrency in this Faucetpay. Faucetpay here is just literally used to save just tokens that are not that up to millions of dollars. All right, it's not always advisable to save tokens that are worth millions of naira right here. All right, just use this Faucetpay to be sending and receiving coins from websites or mining, and then you can now send it to your exchange and or your Web3 wallet and keep it there. All right, this is just a safety precautions that I want you to take home. All right, so if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video.